We should be live. Oh wait, we're not. On everything. Something unfamiliar. Ooh. Can't stop the music. Can't stop the music. Okay. How we doing, chat? What's good? How we doing? Sup, Mubin? Sup, Zaki? How we doing, gamers? Let's change the actual screen that we want. I'm Zaki's friend. Yo, Zaki's friend. What's good? What's good, mate? Love. So I'm the friend of the guy from from Ash's stream, yeah? First you revise, man. Stop coming on live. Genuinely, I revise so much more on live. Going live is what encourages me to revise. I've got 7 exams left. Good on revising, thank you. Zaki's friend, I love this guy. Yeah, I love, bro. Going to Oxford Maths 2, want to meet up? Yeah, sure. Well, we'll be at the same lectures, right? What do you find mock sets? Oh no, ask on the Discord server. Okay. A star. Well done, Frank. Good job. I am low-key a little bit tired, but we're gonna just go through it. Zaki did have a guy to do Arabic. Have you done all the papers? I have, but I did this forever ago. Oh, I just went back on live, Zuwen. Zuwen. I'm a little bit tired though, so we're probably gonna do like an hour and 20 of this, and we'll get through it, and then we'll go to sleep. That's it. What exam do you have next? I have A-level maths, and then this paper, further mechanics. So tomorrow we're gonna get off the further mech revision, and we're gonna start revising. What do you call it? We're gonna start revising further pure tomorrow, or we might start revising comp sci tomorrow. I don't know. It might be computer science tomorrow. How you feeling A-level maths? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm feeling confident. Not a worry in the world, for the most part. Maths might be live for you. Wednesday exam. It's on Wednesday. 100%. I'm feeling good. Not 100%. It won't be 100%. I'll make some minor mistake. Comp sci, computer science. I've skipped. Yeah, same here. Anything revising single maths? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start with a timer. Let's go. I gotta write my name. Oh, terrible color. Run is unoptimized, guys. Okay, cool. Mass, car of mass 700 kilograms, straight horizontal road. Speed is V. Resistance is 200 plus 10V. P, okay, 12,000 equals FV. F is equal to 12,000 over V. Or W. Yeah, fine, we'll say V. W for this. Okay, A equals 0.6. So we can use F equals MA in a second, but we're going to say 12,000 over W. Okay, cool. So I can say 12,000 over W minus 200 plus 10W is equal to A is 700. M is that. A is 0.6. Okay, now there's nothing silly that I've forgotten, right? Moving along a straight result. Yeah, fine. Okay, great. And we're just gonna solve this basically. We're gonna multiply everything through by W. I don't know why this is in brackets. So 12,000 minus 200W plus 10W squared minus 700 times 0.6, which is probably really obvious and I should know it. Not times 6, 0.6. 420 equals 0. 10W squared minus 620W plus 12,000. Ooh, this is wrong. F. Oh wait, I could be wrong. No, I'm wrong. I think. I hope. Maybe. Well, let's check. Yeah, I'm wrong. Something's fucked up. What's gone fucked up? P is equal to FV. Okay. 10 plus 10W. Sorry, 200 plus 10W to the left. P equals FV. Right? Okay. So F is 12,000 over V. Speed of the car is W. Okay. Am I stupid? Oh, wait. Oh, this is negated. Oh, silly me. I think that just follows through for everything, right? So still minus 420. Everything else works out the same, right? Yeah, cool. W equals negative 77. Nope. W equals 15.5 ms. Or it's probably W. No, it's W. W is just 15.5. Okay, we'll check. Yeah. That seems fine. You got 10 as positive? Yeah. My bad. I was speeding through it. Thank you for the gift. Oh, let me get Tickfinity so, what's the name? YouTube guys can see on TikTok. There you go. Okay, I low-key, it's here, right? 15.5, please. 15 or better. 15.4. Yeah, okay, great. We got it. Cool. Full marks. Great stuff. Hey, Dom. How you doing? Yeah, A should not be negated. That was my fault. What percent you predict for maths? Maybe like 97. What you doing? What you doing, maths? Further mechanics right now. Graph theory and trees included in further maths. I think it might be in decision mathematics, but not in the modules that I do. Okay, cool. Next question. So, minor slip, but we figured it out. How you doing, Salmon? Tips for stats, just do every past paper, it's not that bad. Do you have an O? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Basically, like, sparklers start coming out my ear holes. And I just explode. I'm good, Salmon, I'm good. I need to lock in for the papers and that. I genuinely haven't revised comp sci, like, at all. 85 out of 100, still a chance to get A-star on the real thing? Yeah, of course. Possible for mech to be harder than pure? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. They could go crazy on it. They could go easy on pure and crazy on mech, you don't know. Okay. Particle P of mass 2 kg. Okay. Speed of 3 meters per second. Okay. So... initially, okay. Yo. Okay. So 2 kg. Initially it's going like this. Yo, are we fucking? Yo. My cortisol is getting raised, bro. Enjoy the last few moments. Up to you, Baha. What should I do the last few days? Try and get down on your last, like, best topics. Your worst topics, sorry. Okay, and we'll model it like this, like 3. Okay, I Okay. It's either of these. Deflected through an angle of 45 degrees. What does that mean? It just means this, right? 45 either way. No info. It's fine. Okay. So V, so U is equal to 3, 0. I is just something. V is equal to AA, but we can figure out what that is. It'll be like A plus or minus A. We'll use positive. So we know magnitude of V is 9. So I can say that the square root of 2A squared equals 9. A squared. Fuck. I think it's my pen's low. I think it's because my pen's low. So A squared is equal to, what do you call it? 81 over 2. A is equal to 9 over root 2. A is equal to, yo. Okay, great. So V is equal to 9 root 2 over 2 and 9 root 2 over 2. Cool. Bring Big Z back. Physics and Chinese, how greedy. Still revising, thank you. Okay, so I is equal to 2 9 root 2 over 2 9 root 2 over 2 V minus 3 0. Yo. I have another pen. How many hours today have you done? I did like 2.5, 3 hours earlier. Math, Econ, Comp Sci. Yo, what's good, bro? I used to do your subjects, and then I picked up further maths, and then I dropped Econ. Right, yeah, how you doing, bro? Okay, yes, new pen, guys. That's the method, guys. You gotta have hot swappable pens. I'm gonna put this one on charge. I prefer this one. Okay, so I is equal to 9 root 2 minus 6 and 9 root 2. Magnitude of I is equal to, that's what it wanted, right? Yeah. I Newton seconds. Wait, am I supposed to give... Am I supposed to give the unit again? I don't know. But that's a minor thing. That's like a little, like a gripe. Okay, anyways. Square root 9 root 2 squared plus 9 root 2 minus 6 squared equal to... I don't know if it has to be exact, but I'm not going to give it exact. The size of the angle between the direction of I and the direction of motion of P before. Okay. So we're basically just going to do arctan What is it? What is it? Changing y for changing x. So 9 root 2 over 9 root 2 minus 6. Because we got this and we got this. Yeah, fine. Oh wait, will it want the angle between would be that, no? So we'll do 180 minus that, which is gonna give us. By the way, guys, yo, just so we're clear, if I do badly this paper, it's because it's hot, and if I do well, it's because I'm skilled. I just want to be clear there, guys. Okay? If I do really well, it's completely like my fault. But if I do badly, it's not my fault at all. I also did just write the wrong number in my calculator. I'm just being clear. Can we all be clear there, chat? Are we comfortable with that? Revising maths because you're scared. Harris, I'm gonna find you. Are you a biblical... Yes, we watch FC Econ streams, guys. Maths in the States. I'm not even from the States, bro. I'm from London. AUR. How's the A-levels going? They're going great. So I haven't been reading chat. I have more than one pen? Yeah, I have a backup. Yeah, we do a bit of calculus. We do a bit of everything. This is further maths A-level, though. Damn, a lot of fucking texts. Did you paper early today? Maybe. I'm revising for further mech. We love watching... You know I have... Yo... Toby, you know I have like some clips of the stream saved from when Deja Vu Eurobeat was trolling. They're so good. They're saved on my PC. They're actually beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, let's hope I got this right. Ah, fuck. Yeah, I was wrong. 14? They are very unprecise. Okay, it was correct. It was correct. Revise CS? Nope. Okay, so the angle thing was wrong. Why is it like slightly off? Because my calculator says it's 14.39, and this one it says 14.366. It's the same line, and it's the same to three significant figures. Will that working for Arctan as your answer when it's 14? Told you couldn't handle the Arctan, yeah. I feel like this is what you do for enjoyment, yeah. But I got this wrong. It's probably -1. I will check. Yeah. Oh, you could have used cosine rule or sine rule. Okay, very silly of me. Basically, okay, the mistake I made. Oh, what the fuck did I just do? Okay. I found the wrong angle, so I found the angle to the left of theta here. I can't mark it, but like the angle between. I thought of it as being like the positive angle, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, to be fair, that doesn't even make sense. Yeah, I mean, you know, the angle between this vector to the right. Okay, the angle between the vector to the right and the vector like that. It's that. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, minus mark. Silly me. Still got chapter 4 and 5 to do. Get doing it! FA, you've been telling me about this. You told me about how, oh, I got to revise it so bad and I'm going to get to it and I've got this much time. Do it. This is like, you've already wasted like 1/5 of your time just talking about it. Yeah, you can. Lock in. Ugh. Do you have... Yeah, I have fun. I actually have fun studying. Did you watch Arsenal today? No. What would you do after finishing every possible question? Redo the hard ones. Unless they show that. Maths for on the maths of Among Us in 1 day. Is it possible? No. It will take at least 6 or 7. No, it's not revivable to the degree where you can get 75 out of 75. Absolutely not. You've lost it, mate. Like, on paper, yeah? Yeah? You know, if you're the boy Ramunajan. If you're that brother, then yeah, maybe. You? No! You've been in my lives for at least 6 or 7 hours. And you've asked the same question 4 times. I don't care about how much resources you got. You got like Ramanujan, right? No. It doesn't matter how much resources you got. If you had all the resources in the world, barring the actual paper, still, I don't think, what? Oh, wait, no, it's Friday, not Wednesday. Maybe. How many marks you usually get on FM1? Usually like 70s, like 72, 73. 72 is around my average, I would say. I always miss a couple marks on some BS's. On some BS. A-levels are going great, Talmud. I've had further maths, Corpure 1, Corpure 2, and they both went really well. I think like maybe 146 out of 150 for those two. Okay. I've definitely done this paper at some point before, by the way. Moxie 3, I don't know, ask my Discord server. Where I don't belong. Big doop dub. This one, guess. How'd you learn CS coding for GCSE? I didn't do it at GCSE. Can you miss 20 marks? Yeah, sure. Just to load the grade boundaries, yeah? All good, mate. I'll get on that. I can't lie, just go on YouTube if you don't know how to code. There's tutorials for everything. Okay, A. Holy information spam, bro. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Try the snooker, bro. This is snooker. How do I understand counting problems? Use your fingers. Harris, I probably won't. Like, I'll lose marks on something. I know that for a fact. Okay, A. Wrote A twice. Okay. So the initial velocity here is 2u sine cos 45. Same as sine 45. 2u sine 45. Okay. This one here, 2u sine 45. It'll be root 2u, right? Like u root 2. And all of these will be u root 2. Okay. I don't know. Okay, we'll just label it x and y. Should it not have to be? Wait, okay, we'll figure it out. Okay. 3u cos the, wait. Sine 30. Wait, no, okay, I'll go from the top, wait, okay. So we're gonna have negative 3u sine cos 30 and 3u sine 30. Tough. And then we're gonna have 3u sine 30 and y. Okay, so fuck. Direction of motion is deflected through by 90 degrees. Now I know I've got to use that somehow, but I don't know. It feels questionable, you know. Because it's giving me like E is 1 vibes. I don't like that. Oh wait, that doesn't necessarily have to be true. Okay. Let's just do our stuff. So we're gonna have 3 root 2u. And I know there's definitely like a much simpler way to go about this. What's cos 30? It's a half, right? No, it's root 3 over 2. Okay. Minus 3 root 3 over 2u. 3 root 3 over 2u. Yeah. No. Yeah, fine. Is equal to 3x plus 2y. Adam's adorable. Yeah, I guess, bro. Cos 30 is and a half. I know. I corrected myself on the page. Keep running away is easy. NLR. Okay. Oh, wait, this is just going to be like one of them simultaneous equation ones, right? So, we can say that, 3u sine 30, fuck NLR for now, 3u sine 30 is equal to, V cos theta. Okay. What's V sine theta equal to? Oh, no, sorry, no, it should be sine theta. Okay. Should that not mean that x has to just be negated? It feels illegal to do this, I can't lie. But, okay, y is equal to V cos theta. Okay, tough. Anyways, what's x equal to? X is equal to, it feels wrong to do this. Negative u root 2. Like, x is just negative u root 2, no? Because if this component is the same and the angle's the same, then it must stay the same, right? Like, that's just how it has to be. Yes? I'm live, what's up?
There's supposed to be a food delivery at 9. Does anybody know anything about it?
No, I know nothing.
I was here.
Alright, yo. What? Cool. It was my nan. Cool. Are we chat? Are you muted? Yeah, I was muted. I was speaking to my nan. Okay. So we can say 6 root 2u minus 3 root 3u is equal to 2v cos theta. You should be my boyfriend, girlfriend. You should be my boyfriend, girlfriend. Good. Okay, 3 over 2u is equal to v sine theta. And we can say 6 root 2u, or let's say 3 root 2u, minus 3 over 2 root 3 u is equal to v cos theta. Okay. Tan theta is equal to, I'm really not 100% sure about this, I'm not going to lie, 3 over 2u over 3 root 2u minus 3 over 2 root 3. Theta is equal to, and we'll just do arctan. I don't know, I probably wouldn't need to do marks for that, right? Like, there's no way if I get this, I can't just put it in straight without cancelling the u's. There's no way, right? Theta is 42.4 degrees. Cool. solve for v in terms of u, right? So, okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this, but I know that v squared sine squared plus v squared cos squared theta is equal to 3 over 2 squared u plus 3 root 2 minus 3 over 2 root 3 u squared. And so I can say v squared is equal to 9 over 4 plus 3 shift root 2 minus 3 over 2 shift root 3 squared. It doesn't want exact values, right? So 27. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna SD this. I can't lie. 4.95 u squared. V is equal to. Oh wait. Shift root. Shift answer. V is equal to 2.225 or 2.23 u. Again, I could just be like complete. You can't just ignore us. Yeah, I can. I was doing the question, bro. Oh, timer's paused? My bad. It's not a timer issue, though. Like, timing is not a problem for me, usually. What are you doing if you open up the question paper you genuinely can't do? Bro, genuinely, that's how Corpio 1 was for me. I'm locked in, bro. And probably wrong. Did it want V in terms of you? Yeah. Okay. E is equal to... what is it? Y minus x over... okay. Speed of separation, which is y minus x, over u root 2 plus 3 cos 13 3 root 3 over 2u. Should I do practice and paper for my year 12 mocks for maths? It's up to you, man. Really, like, that's all I can say. Where y is equal to... Did we solve for y? Oh, y is v cos theta, right? Yeah. Minus x, where x is so it's plus u root 2. U root 2 plus 3 root 3 over 2u. So e is equal to u. Okay, 2.22589 cos 42.36 7 u plus u root 2 over u root 2 plus 3 root 3 over 2u. So e is equal to what should I get, like a number greater than fucking 0? Okay, e is equal to 0.762. Please be correct and don't be wrong completely and embarrass me. Ooh, baby. Whoo! Me, when I do the question and I get the answer. Whoo, we take those. I was locked in for that, bro. I'm assuming that everything is right, so like enough decimal places, yeah, it's all the same. Cool. We take those. I need to wipe my glasses. I'm so sweaty. I can't even read chat, bro. You know how bad my eyesight is? I genuinely can't even read chat right now with my glasses off. In rainbows during maths, thought I was unique. What do you mean in rainbows? What, happy? Yeah. What do you do if the paper on Fridays and the question's so hard you genuinely start imploding? Probably implode. What paper is this? Mock set 2. What's up, Ben? I'm good. Isn't E... Oh, XV. So in this situation, E is not Euler's number, which is 2.71828182845904523536. Instead, E is the coefficient of restitution, which is basically a measure of how much energy is lost in a collision. So it's a different thing. Don't worry. It's a different E. Radiohead LARPer? Oh, my bad. I'm not a LARPer. I just listened to a couple of their albums. Like, it's not... I'm not a LARPer. I'm listening to the music because I like it. I listened to OK Computer. I was like, oh, that's good. And then some more Radiohead stuff showed up on my Spotify. And I was like, yeah, well, we'll listen to that. How do you know that? Yeah, I memorized it. E is a different thing, Baha. It's the coefficient of restitution. It's not Euler's number. It's a different thing. It's a different thing. It's a different thing. Hardest paper done for Further Mech? Hardest Further Mech paper? I don't know. Like, it's never a hard paper. It's always just like one really hard collisions question. That's the worst case. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh, Fez. Yo, guys. I might have to buy some new shirts from my favorite clothing brand, Nirvana. Do you know what I'm saying? Mate's dad is a... Oi, Fez. I can't lie, it's on my playlist, but it's not the whole playlist, so... We're not doing all of Radiohead, sorry. Worst score in the last month? I got like 56 on a Brampton Core Pure paper. But that was really hard. What's good? Ohm, Infinity, Epsilon? Capital Epsilon? Mu? He's a member of the Reals, Infinity Epsilon? Wait, no, not a member of the Reals. I can't read that. E isn't that, mate? It's something like that, bro. Are you doing Further Maths? I'm doing both. Oh, I'm doing Further Maths right now. Oh, shit. You have it full marks? Yeah, I think I did in Core Pure 2. I do remember you. I do remember you, Ohm Infinity guy. I've not read out your name. You go by Euler, right? That's it. Euler, that's the one. I equals E, little cheeky one. Do you know who Jahid is? Yeah. Why do you ask? GCSE resources? No, I don't do any resources in my Discord. You're so leng, thank you. Do some polar coordinates? Oh, a little bit of ball knowledge. I love it. I do know Jahid. Which mock set? Mock set 2. My guy. Fairs. You know me. Yeah, I do know you, Epe. Yeah, mock set 2, chap. Do I still remember you coming? No, I never heard of you. Is this under exam conditions and timed? Yeah, mate. I'm listening to music and I have chat in exam conditions. No. But again, time isn't a problem for this paper. Time is not really a concern. These papers are normally done like an hour for me. Are you single? Currently, yeah. I don't know why I say currently. I've never been in a relationship. Revised Polar? Bro, that paper's over. Do you do chemistry? No. Maths, Further Maths, Comp Sci. Full marks in normal maths? Nah. Speening to... What the fuck is speening? Oh, speaking. I thought it was like a new gooning. Did you watch Champions League final? No. Any tip... Brother, yo, if I'm giving relationship tips, genuinely, I think I'm probably the worst person ever to do that. I'm not gonna lie. Genuinely, bro. Blind leading the blind. Just make your move. Like, what do I say? Bro, any advice I give is based on no personal experience. It is purely based on what I see on my For You page. Managers don't play. Exactly. What? That's mental. Second. Ooh, wait. This is a good question. What does second even mean? How far is that? I should... yeah, probably. You ready to mingle? Yeah, mate. Dad's brother? What? Whoa, whoa. No. I thought you meant like a cousin of a cousin of a cousin who's related to the dog of another cousin. Chill out. Whoa, you gotta be at least like 4 orders detached. Fuck that. No, mate. May as well be your sister, you disgusting person. Adam, where is Eve? Adam, why are you single? I know how to talk to women. Who is Eve? It's a biblical thing, bro. Hello, Devil Grin 917. What A levels you? Further Mech, Further Pure. No, sorry. Further Maths, and Comp Sci. How do you not get girls, honestly? I want Zaki. That's us, bro. God crave Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. So why is my YouTube chat just straight homophobic? Bro. Oh, I swear. God didn't create either of them, by the way. Only 3, I thought you were smart. I'm talking to chat. You stole my girl. Yeah, of course, bro. Literally, someone said, Adam, have you met your Eve? This brother in YouTube chat says, God created Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. After sending a hello with 3 L's. 3 L's. Brother, yo, okay, can I just say, right? I'm just going to tell you. If you're sending hello with 3 L's, I'm not taking any kind of homophobia from you. Because you're clearly projecting. Let's be honest now. Also, right? Again, I'm not homophobic. And if you're not homophobic, this is no flack at you. But you cannot be homophobic and send a hey with 2 Y's. Or more. Anything more than 1 Y, and you don't have the right to be homophobic anymore. Why for that? Exactly. I promise you, any girl you approach will say yes. Yeah, we'll guess, bro. Bro, you're Adam, you have no right to talk. But I like girls, but I like rights. Anyways, lock in. Okay. Chad does what Chad wants, I guess, bro. A little Max kind of cute. Mox kind of cooked how to get A star. Practice. What course are you doing? At Oxford? Do you mean? Like, next year? Next year I'll be doing Oxford Maths in October. I have an offer, assuming I don't bum up my A levels. Are you a bad boy 50-50, not hurt and harm people? Yeah, I'm a bad boy, but like 50-50. I'll be doing maths, but currently I'm doing further maths and computer science. You start in October? Yeah. Again, assuming A levels don't get cooked. But even if they do, I'll still be going Bath. Like, it'll still be maths. It just won't be Oxford. But it will be Oxford. Don't worry. On the dance floor, you are barred. Yeah, I am. Something like that, bro. I don't like Ordino. Why for that? So funny. All I've done is hold hands with a girl. Am I cooked? I have never held hands with a girl like that. Genuinely. Okay, one time, I got kissed on the cheek. That's it. I've never held hands. Weird correlation there. Very awkward. Never again, please. But, yeah. 16, though. I'm also doing further maths. Good job, man. What about your mum? Obviously, you know what I mean, bro. You know what I mean. Explain the law. We will not be explaining the law. We will not be explaining the law yet. That one might have to be a little, like, one of them PNG tuber story time things. You know what I'm saying? The further maths. No, it wasn't a fan. What do you mean a fan? Bro, I don't have fans. I'm not famous. Wait, fuck. No, I'm joking. I don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a fan. Thank you, Camille. We're fans. Okay, thank you. Damn, I gotta stop being humble. No, I'm joking. When's your exams? Like literally next week and the week after and the week after, and then they're done. I've done 2 further maths exams so far. They went really well. Okay, we are going to lock it in, and we are going to do this question. Don't you, baby? Don't you? Okay, lock in. Okay. Boy cycles along a cycle route. The route passes through 2 points A and B. The boy descends from A, cycles along the horizontal ground, ascends to B. Okay, guys, I've just got my Black Pill intro ready. Let's go! Sorry, guys, I just saved that as a clip. Those glasses looking heavy. What does that even mean? Corporeal is so easy. Yeah, +1. How do you focus on doing chat? I mean, my chat's mathematical. Like, they talk about maths and stuff. You're the intro? Yeah, something like that, bro. Genuinely, yo, if I actually glow up, I want to do... This sounds really, like, self-centered. I was an ugly kid. I'll tell you. No, okay, like, there are some bad screenshots of me as a child. If I, like, actually... Yeah, okay, dark. How do you have access to shadow papers? I don't know, ask my Discord server. Okay, A. So, initial. We're gonna have 1/2, open bracket, M, which is 75. I've definitely asked this question before because I remember that number. 5 squared. So initially, he has 6 GPE plus 6G plus 75 times G times 6. I know she loves you. Okay. So we got kinetic energy, not EPE, GPE, work done? No, he's not done work yet. Okay. Okay, final. We're gonna have work done plus 1/2 times 75 times by 7 squared. 7 squared. And GP is 0 because we're taking our 0 level as being here. 800 meters. Cool. Okay. Plus. Oh wait, do we have to put it in the initial or the final? Where does work done go? Like, I'll figure out if it's positive or negative, but we initially have the work inside of him, right? Like, this is energy added to the system that we initially have. It's fine though, we'll figure it out. And so it's just F times force times distance, which is work done. So we're gonna have 12 times by 800. Okay, so we can say 37.5 times by 5 squared plus 450G minus 37.5 times 7 squared minus 12 times 800 equals WD. Work done equals, and then if we get a negative, we'll know we fucked up. But we won't, because we didn't fuck up, because we got aura. My fuck America. Welcome to a new kind of tension all across the alien nation. Everything is meant to be okay. Television dreams of tomorrow. Oh, yep, so we did fuck up, and something's fucked up. Great, love that. I was actually wrong. Should it be negated for some reason? Oh, it should be. right? Because yeah, I'm stupid. Equals negative WD, we'll say. Work done is 6090 joules, or 6,000 joules to two significant figures. B. When do you stream? Is there a TTV stream or something? I'm on TikTok also. I am on TikTok. That is my sort of main platform. That's what I'm more known for. I currently have 16 viewers on TikTok, but it can spike really heavily. You can see them in the bottom right of your screen. Where's the main chat? I don't know where the main... I would say the main chat is TikTok, realistically. But, people speak in both chats. Oh! On YouTube, you guys can't even hear the music. Because YouTube actually copyright strikes me and TikTok doesn't. I'm listening to music right now. But only they can hear it. Because it will get me, like... It'll get the video taken down. On YouTube. That's why. Yeah, TikTok is where I'm streaming also. But make sure you subscribe on YouTube. Do you do physics? No. Okay, B. At the instant the boy passes B, working at a rate of 140 watts. Oh, fuck me, I've got to do some power calculations. Fine. Accelerating at k meters per second. Oh. P equals F or dV. We'll say D. Because D is our driving force. D minus 12 equals 75A. Or 75K. So I'll explain this in a second if anybody wants me to actually explain. Oh, and we know that he's going at 7. Fine. So we can say that D equals 140 over 7, which is 20. So we can say that 8 is equal to 75k. K is equal to 8 over 75. K is equal to 0.11. No. And we're given units, right? Yeah, fine. What's the name of TikTok? Chris Griffin Osu. At Chris Griffin Osu. At Chris Griffin Osu is the YouTube. I don't know why I paused that. I paused the timer, that's it. At Chris Griffin Osu. I'll type in the chat. I much prefer having viewers on YouTube, I will not lie to you. But if you prefer to be on TikTok, that's absolutely fine. The sign caused hand stuff. Okay, let's see if I was correct. I could have been wrong. For all we know. Oh, fuck me. Oh, I'm so stupid! No! How are we having rounding errors in the big... Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Yo! Brother! Brother! GG, bro. Dog! I just said 6,090 to two significant figures 6,000. Yeah, love. Astagfirullah. Yo, Hamza, you would have got that right? I'm 100% sure Hamza would have got that right. I know you don't do physics, but I made a paper so my TikTok. It's got a twist. I wouldn't get any of it. Put chat in the bottom corner for YouTube? What do you mean? It's 6,100. Yeah, it is. I'm doing good, yo. I'm doing good. Oh, I don't care. It's 6,100. You need a sausage roll. Yeah, I love, bro. Okay. See, like, genuinely, this is the type of shit that I mess up on Further Mech 1, bro. Like, it's... Okay, so guys on YouTube are just hearing me sing along to nothing, bro. It's cooked. I'm sorry. Do you do further stats 1? No, I do further mech, further pure. You still get 8? Oh no, I got the whole question right. The whole question was fine. I got everything. It was just I rounded it wrong. Like an idiot. Everything else was completely fine, Ben. My working was fine. I understood it. I got all the mark, like, apart from that 1 mark for accuracy. You're doing AS? No. I'm doing A-level, Devil Grin. I'm doing A-level. Yeah, bro. Dark. Guys, I was just doing 1 significant figure. Yo. I was doing 1 significant figure, chat. 1 SF. It's the new trend. It's the new TikTok thing. Don't worry. Tiki tiki taka taka thing. I did a Cambridge one. Nice. What offers do you have, Devil? Oh, wait, no. Are you year 12? Oh, you're 61 backwards. Okay, fairs. Scariest part of being an adult now that you're 18? I don't know. I don't feel like an adult. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, nothing really changed on the spot. The trend is doing 1 significant figure when you write 2. That's the new TikTok trend. I don't feel like... Imagine Adam driving. Exactly. Like, I'm shocked by the fact that I'm able to get a driving license. Are you getting Twinnercom in Oxford? It's like 50-50, but I hope so. It'd be fun. But yeah, I've checked my college. Year 12 and 11 together, fairs. Yeah, we'll see. In Oxford, I don't know, I've seen my college, and they have Twinnercom. What module would you recommend for further maths? Further mech 1 and further pure 1, or further mech 2, or further stats 1. Up to you. Whatever you find most fun. Why keep doing this? Oh, I mean, I still have further mech, further pure. It's just the first 2 papers that I did. The first 2 papers are really well class. Composite fairs. Like, bro, the fact that I'm an adult... The thing is as well, right? Like, here's the thing. I'm an adult on paper, right? Right now, that's made no difference, right? Because I don't drink, because nobody around me drinks, right? I would drink if I had friends who did. I'll be in the pub every fucking weekend. But nobody wants to, because they're all very heavily religious and all of this and that, right? But I don't. I don't smoke by choice, because I need to keep my angelic voice for me to become a choir singer and drop out of Oxford one day. Okay? I don't gamble, because gambling doesn't make statistic sense. I don't drive, because I live in London. You have Muslim friends? Yeah, I mean, it's my area. I have mostly, pretty much only Muslim friends. I have a couple who aren't, but most of them. Don't drink, stay clean, brother. I'm down. I'm not Muslim. I was born a Muslim. I'm not personally a Muslim. Like, okay, I'm willing to drink. That's the thing. It's fun. You know, but I don't have an opportunity. Are you going to revert? No. I'm not Muslim. I am not Muslim. My dad is Muslim. I'm not Muslim. How's Further Pure? I might learn it because Core Pure ended. It's fun. It's a lot of content though. Ethnicity half English, quarter Yemeni, quarter Moroccan. Does your dad know, bruh? Yeah. But I don't live with him, so who cares? But even if I did, like, when I see him, I don't lie. You been suspended ever? Yeah, back in secondary school, primary school, a lot. I used to get suspended like every week in primary school, like back in like year 6. Were you Muslim? Can you really be religious if you're a little child? Realistically? Like, it doesn't really count. You're in year 12? No, I'm in year 13, Devil Grin. I have university offers, including Oxford and Imperial. I'm not trying to flex, I'm just giving context. So, yeah. How'd you get Oxford? Do you think Oxford really cares if I got suspended back in year fucking 9? Transition to adulthood is subtle. It's a transformation. Exactly. I have potential. Like, I can do anything now. I think I'll feel it more when I'm at uni. Exactly, Evil Goon Lord. Exactly, Evil Goon Lord. What the fuck am I talking about, bro? Don't goon, please. Go to Imperial. I rejected them, Mohammed, for Oxford, because I prefer Oxford. Dude read his name. Without some words that's clean and it shows that... Fuck. When it all falls down. When it all falls... No way. Yeah, I got Oxford and Imperial. I'll show you right now. Let me pull up UCAS. If you don't believe. Are you doing further Mech 1? Yes. And further Pure 1. Oh, shit. I'm going to hide my UCAS number. Are you sad about Arsenal? I don't care. My ears? Yeah, I know. I know, you feel blessed. It's fine. You can pay me for it after. Okay. Okay, I haven't shown my whole, like, life. Great. Yeah, look. Mathematics at Oxford. Here. Firm choice. Full offer, all of that shit. Bath as the insurance thing. Ooh, little cheeky, like, very contextual offer. Unsuccessful. Okay. Declined. You were offered a place subject to conditions. Bam. Reject that thing. Reject that thing. These guys took too long. I requested to withdraw. Fuck them guys. Taking too long. I should have. No, I shouldn't have. Let's be real. How are you on Pure 1 in Oxford? There's like pure... Is there pure... What? What do you mean Pure 1? What are you talking about? Reject Queen? Yeah, I know, bro. Join Uzi? Nah. If you miss your offer, I don't know, I'll go Bath and do a Masters. Like, it's the same thing. I'll probably go Bath, do Masters, and then PhD Oxford if I can. Can unis offer a higher A-level grade? Technically, yes. They tend not to. One Earth is the background. It looks terrible, I know. I'm going to change it. It's maths, but it looks like AI. Why don't you apply Cambridge? Because I prefer Oxford. Why aren't you Muslim? Because I don't believe in a God. Why do a Master Bath? Because I have integrated Masters and it works out better. If I get rejected from Oxford, I will definitely be going to Oxford. 100%. But if I were to get rejected, then I would just do that. Pen settings, I don't know, they're all default. You're not from North London? I'm from East London. Does not feeling like an adult make you feel like a loser? It does for some people. No. I'm absolutely winning at life right now. Everything is in my favour, as stands. I have an Oxford offer. I have 37 people who will sit down and watch me do maths. That is insane. Imagine 37 people in a room watching you talk. That makes me feel like the opposite of a loser. That makes me feel like a winner. I've got opportunities in my life that are coming up. I don't feel like a loser at all. I can do what I want. I just choose not to because most of it seems a bit boring. Are you going to do this at uni? Yes. You're a gifted student? Yes. Thank you. You're an entertaining man. I can't lie. Thank you. Thank you, Evil Goon Lord. W. How'd you get an Oxford offer? Did you do math comp? No. I did a bunch of super curricular stuff. I went to a bunch of lectures. I went to summer school, all that stuff. How many times harder is further maths to normal maths? I prefer further maths. I would probably get a higher percentage on average in core pure further maths than A-level maths. Because it's simpler. The questions are not as confusing. Arigato. Wait, is that hello or goodbye? Why maths and statistics? It was maths. You can choose in year 2 to change to maths and stats. I'm doing maths. Getting glazed? We take it. We take it. Which lecture you took at Oxford? I went to the maths from the underground residential at Cambridge. Check my repost to see what it is. GCSEs in context to your school? Very solid. Not number 1. I got 9987776 distinction. It was a non-selective state school. Would have been useful 2 weeks ago. Dark. Personal statement, interview, admissions test, and supercurricular. Oh, it's interview, admissions test, personal statement, supercurricular. Hardest part of Corpio 1? Probably vectors. Probably linear transformations. Where to do extracurricular? Just look on Google. I don't know. I kind of got lucky with everything. Like, I saw on TikTok the Cambridge thing, and I was like, oh, we'll sign up to that, and I got in. The Tom Rocks maths lecture at UCL, I just happened to pop up, like, it just showed up on my YouTube feed, and I was like, I'll go to that. Distinction 9 Media. What's good, Chem Eng Weekly? How you doing, man? I'm doing great. Been cycling in that. Last engineering exam at Cambridge. Nice. Watching your TikToks, nice. Are you gonna do a master's or a PhD? Better to go to the sixth form or secondary? Absolutely no difference. I didn't. Future quantum ethical maths academic. Ethical maths academic? I'm gonna be an unethical maths academic, bro. What do you mean? There's levels. Lynn translation is tedious, yeah. Thomas Bass is the GOAT, yeah. It was great seeing him. Non-selective state school is what matters. Yeah, I mean, that's like a requirement to get contextual, but it's not everything. How you feeling for CS? Good. Actually, non-selective is not necessarily required. How do you revise so much? I need 8 in maths, struggling to revise much. I don't revise much. Genuinely, I revise way more on stream. Yeah, it's going great, Kemenge. I've had a nice day. I've gone out, cycled. The weather's nice. What's bro doing? Further mech. What mod are you doing? Further mech, further pure. Do you consider yourself as a maths prodigy? Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. I'm good at maths. Let's not use the big words here. You good stuff. How you been, Kemenge? What's been up with you? The stream motivates you to revise. Absolutely. I think we're gonna go to do another question now. He's not even close to a prodigy. Exactly. I'm good at maths. Prodigy's not the right word. Okay. We're gonna do the next question. Been cooking on some content. Nice. Okay, we're gonna do the next question. Let's go. Oh, timer. What paper is this? Further Mech Mock Set 2. Okay. A spool of 1.5 kilos. Okay, M is 1.5 kg. Horizontal plane. Strikes a fixed, smooth vertical wall. Okay. U is equal to 80. V is equal to lambda 2 lambda. E is equal to E. Okay. Delta KE is equal to 33. Okay, find the impulse. So the impulse. Okay. Let's think. I'm thinking this is just like an I thing, right? So it's gonna just be I. Oh god, wait. So I is equal to 1.5 open bracket lambda 2 lambda minus 80. So MV minus U. Great. I is equal to 3 over 2 lambda minus 8 2 lambda. Oh, we can use the thing, you know what I'm talking about. This. So initial, we're gonna get 1 over 2 times by 3 over 2 multiplied by square root of something squared. This something is gonna be 8, so it's gonna be 8 basically. Final is gonna be a half times 3 over 2 times by the square root of 2 lambda squared plus lambda squared is equal to 33. So I can say, oh god, don't make me do mental maths. 6 minus, oh that's terrible, that's wrong. I think. Oh wait. V squared. So this should be squared. So we should just get 64 basically. Yeah, I felt wrong. Okay, on the bottom we should have 4. On the top we should have 3 times 64. Okay. 48 minus what is it? 3 root 5 over 4 lambda. No. Wait, hold up. Let me just use my brainwaves real quick. The root and the other thing cancel out. So we should have 15 lambda squared is equal to 33. Correct? I think. Although my brain is kind of cooked. Yeah. So we can say that 15 is equal to 15 lambda squared over 4. Lambda squared is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to plus or minus 2. Is it asking for potential impulse or is it an actual value? Oh god. Do we have any reason to know what makes sense? Okay, so it's going like this. And then it's either going like that or it's going back down like that. Fuck. When did we got further maths? I picked it up in March of year 12. This must be physics, yeah. Sorry, chat a little bit. How much money you make from TikTok Live? I've made like 150 or something like that. Like, I'll just tell you the number. It's something like that. Over maybe 6 months. Like, it's a good amount of money. Or something like it's a decent amount of money. But it's not 6 months worth of work money, you know? That's just TikTok Live revenue, obviously. Well, yeah, but like 6 months of work. How do you live alone? I don't live alone. I live with my mum. Did you self-learn? Yeah, I self-learned a lot of year 2 A-level maths and AS further maths. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'll tell you it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. Hamiltonian optics? I have no fucking clue what you're talking about. I'll be so real. I don't like, bro. Can I catch up on further maths if it's... Yeah, you can. Anyways. Is there any reason that lambda should be negative or positive here? Fuck. Lambda's a positive constant. Read the fucking question, Adam. Read the question and don't be a silly little Billy. That's what you need to stop doing, guys. Stop being a silly Billy and read the fucking question. Okay, great. So, I is equal to negative 3 over 2 lots of negative 6 and 4. Okay, guys, read the question and don't be silly like me. Which is still wrong, and I'm just cooked. So I is gonna be... I'm not stupid, right? Yeah, cool. I is gonna be negative 9 and 6. 6, 9! Oh my god, guys! Is the funny number from maths. I'll stop. Okay. B, or is it I? B. Value of E. Don't forget the formula, guys. Negative E U dot I is equal to V dot I. This is my goat, genuinely. I used to not believe in the method, but I believe in the method now and it's goated. So we're going to have 8, 0 dot negative 9, 6 is equal to... what is it? So it's lambda, 2 lambda. So it's 2, 4. 2, 4 dotted with negative 9, 6. Okay, let's just do this in my head. We're going to have 72E is equal to negative 18 plus 24. 24 minus 18, that's 6. E is equal to 72 over 6. Nope, 6 over 72. Don't be a silly Billy. 6 over 72. And if I've got all of this wrong, it's really embarrassing, but I don't care. 72, which is going to be... E is equal to 0.0833. Please don't be wrong. Astaghfirullah. What did I mess up? Yo, look, I'm wrong. Huh. Yo, I'm cooked, chat. Don't go bold. I wasn't planning on it. Yeah, low-key, I'm cooked. Where did I mess up? Negative EU dot I is equal to V dot I. 72E is equal to 6. Oh, wait. No, I'm fine. Wait. Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Okay. I had a heart attack. Wait, I'm fine. Yeah, 6 over 72 is just the same. Okay. Wait, what? Root 13. Where is that coming from, mate? What? What? Okay, we got it. We literally got it. Yeah, okay, I'm fine. 1 over 12 is 6 over 72. I gave it as an decimal. We're fine. I'm half English, quarter Yemeni, quarter Moroccan. Devil Grin. Lagrangian or Hamiltonian mechanics? I don't know the difference, I'll be so real. I like Newtonian mechanics because they're easy. Yeah, I'm fine, we're good. Oof. Okay, we got it. I reset the timer! Yo, does anybody remember what the timer was at? I'm checking YouTube. I don't care, I don't trust anybody here. What? How long ago did I reset it? Okay, it was on 32 minutes, and then I did like 3 minutes of work. So we'll call it 37, just to, cause I don't want people on my ass, basically. Bum ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum. When is Further Mech? It's on Friday. When can you access mock sets? I don't know. Ask somebody in my Discord or something like that. I don't know. I don't share stuff. Michael Jackson's backstory is so sad. You've been streaming for 1:15. Yeah. But I haven't been doing the paper the whole 1:15. I've been talking to chat and all stuff. It was 54, yeah, love. You're currently working at 50% efficiency, but I'm working, so I don't care. Also, like, it's bold of you to assume that explaining something does not make me better at it. I would disagree with you. I think explaining things, it builds up your brain. How easy is integration? Integration is not that bad on its own. Like, if you're doing simple integration, it's not that bad. Harder integration can be tricky, but the issue of integration is that there's a decent amount of prerequisite knowledge that you need. Like, you need to know, obviously, algebra. You need to know differentiation. You need to be really good at differentiation. You need to know all the rules behind that. And then you need to know, like, a bunch of rules for integration too. And you got to know which ones to use when. Do you like Marvel? I'm more of a DC guy. But I do like a bit of Marvel. I love the Spider-Man movies. You're talking, though? Yeah, I am. Can I use... yeah, D1 Jester, you definitely can use A-levels to get into American unis. But I know that American unis prioritize GCSEs more. Maths Wednesdays, woohoo, yeah. Have you seen MHA? I saw the first, like, 4 seasons of it. Feynman technique? Oh my god, I'm not some, what do you call it? Young Sheldon Diddy blood, bro. When are you streaming next? I'll be streaming tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after. I plan on streaming daily now. I stopped streaming because I was having issues when my live would get shut down. I've realized, A, I can stream on YouTube, which, like, makes it so it's less of a blow. And B, I can just restart the stream. I don't care. I'll go down to, like, 10 viewers for a little bit, and it'll rise up. It doesn't matter. We're doing a post-exam stream, something like that. Are you gonna watch the rest of MHA at some point? Yeah. I'm gonna have to reset some of my GCSEs. I mean, you may as well just try with A-levels. Are you like Iona Koji? No, I'm not nonchalant enough. See you, Devil Grin. Okay, we got full marks on this question, right? Like, that's... It doesn't say the exact value of E. It's weird that it doesn't say or equivalent, but it's or equivalent, be real. You're gone. Nobody can catch up. What's wrong with a Feynman technique? Oh, you don't get the reference. There's an episode where Sheldon's like trying to test how smart. I think his name's Leonard. No, not Leonard. What's the other one? What's like the dorky one? They're all dorky. Fuck. You know the one who's like got like the top trim. And he's like, and Sheldon's trying to figure out if he's smart. And he's like, how would you integrate x squared e to the negative x without looking it up? And he's like, I like using Feynman's trick when it's just an integration by parts integral. Howard, that's it. That's the one. Exactly. Differentiate under the integral sign. I did learn Feynman's trick before I did my Oxford interview. Billy, yeah. We're just saying stuff. Yeah, you know what I mean, bro. Same character. I did actually do a question on Feynman's trick before my Oxford interview, just in case that showed up. No, I know it's different. I know they're different shows. I watched a bit of both, but bro, if I say young Sheldon Diddy blood, you know I'm talking about the fucking Sheldon Cooper, you dog. Sheldon Cooper, you dog. Okay, we're gonna do the next question. Timer is suspiciously exactly 37. Yeah, I have. They're funny as fuck. Okay, A. Okay, natural length, L is equal to A. I like that. I don't like questions where the natural length is like 2 of something. It feels terrible. Okay, lambda is lambda. Great. G is 10. That's specific. Particle P of mass 2 kg is attached to one end of the string. The other end of the string... Okay, it's just basically saying this, right? Fine, okay. Fixed point A, fine. M is 2. Tan theta is equal to 3 over 4. Sine theta is equal to opposite adjacent 3 over 5. Cos theta is equal to 4 over 5. Great. B on the plane lies... Okay, yeah, fine, obviously. AB is 3A, okay, fine. Instantaneous rest at A. Okay, mu is 1 over 4. Show lambda is 25. Okay, so we're just going to show something for lambda. Cool. So initial energy. Ignore my horror handwriting. I know it's terrible. I don't care. We're going to have... So GP is 0. Kinetic energy 0. KE 0, GPE 0. EPE is going to be... lambda x squared, which will be 2a squared over 2a. Final, we're gonna get I'm gonna have to resolve everything, right? Yeah, cool. So 2g sine theta. Wait, that's such a terrible diagram. Okay. 2g sine theta. 2g cos theta. So to the left, we're gonna have 2g. Okay, 2g sine theta is what? 6 over 5g. And then, what else? Cos theta over 4. So, 2g over 5. So that's, yeah, 2g over 5. Ignore that I'm not explaining everything properly. I'll go over the question a little bit. I just want to make sure I actually get it right. Okay, so work done friction is 8 over 5 GA. Change in EPE. Well, it's a string or a spring? Natural. It's a string. Okay, so we're gonna get nothing from compression. Fine. EPE is 0. Do Wojek? No, you're just speedrunning while explaining. I'm not trying to explain. I'll go over it in a sec. But right now, I'm just focused on just doing it myself, and then we'll go over the actual question. KE end, okay, GPE end is included. No, work done to friction and gravity. Okay, great. So we're gonna just ignore GP at the end. So I can say that 2a lambda is equal to 8 over 5 GA. I like where this is going. So we can say that lambda is equal to 4 over 5g. No, wait, is that correct? Fuck. This is wrong. This is wrong. Oh, it should be times 2, right? Times 2. I just want you to know. Oh, well, what's 8 over 5? That's wrong. Wait, 1.6? So it's like off by a factor. That's weird. Because lambda's 24, right? Yeah. Okay. AB is 3A. Something's fucked up here. We'll figure it out. Okay. So, at the end of EP0. Oh, wait, it's gotten to A, right? Yeah, okay. If it's gotten to A, then this should be 3. Um, 3A meters. Force. E is equal to force times distance. Well, I know we shouldn't be using E, but, you know. 3. So 24 over 5. Oh, no. Okay, fuck. Wait. 24 G. 2 lambda. Okay. Lambda is equal to 240 times 10 over 5 times 2. No, it's 24. It's 24, buddy. Lambda is equal to 24. Hence, shown. Now, somebody might be thinking, yo, Adam, you're so cooked and you're an idiot and you're a little bit overweight. You're actually a lot. Because you made mistakes. Is a show that question. So we're gonna, when it comes to show that questions, you're always risky. You hit 5k on TikTok. Nice, Salmon. Good stuff. What's good, Rosie? How you doing? Is it weird to do past papers cold up in bed in the dark? Yeah, I guess, bro. It's not weird. You do what you want. Like, if you're revising, it's fine. I always play like I'm an idiot. I'm left-handed. No, I'm right-handed. I'm right-handed. The camera's flipped. No, what do you mean? It's not even that. Oh, the YouTube camera down here is flipped because I want it to look like I'm looking at the work. No one said the overweight comment. I'm just saying, you know, if you're going to insult me, then do it properly, you know? Find the magnitude of the acceleration at the P the instant it's released from B. This is not that bad, right? Yeah. So, T is equal to lambda x over L. T is equal to 24 multiplied by 2A over A. Resistive forces. We're going to get 2 over 5G plus 6 over 5G. Okay. So T minus 8 over 5G is equal to MA, where M is what? M is just M? 2. Did I use M anywhere? No. 2A. So we're going to say we got what? 48 minus 8 over 5 or 16 is equal to 2A. A is equal to 16. And I think that's our answer, right? Meters per second squared. Acceleration is 16 ms negative 2. Great. What song is this? This song is Smile. Smile by Lily Allen. Aren't you friends with my older sister? Fairs. Do you play with your left hand? No. I'm really just. What's up, Will? How you doing, bro? Do you play with your left hand? No. I actually perform. Yeah. You had to put maths in brackets on a Nikola Tesla tickets unpatched fairs. I want math. I can't follow this. I'll go over it in a sec. Are you gonna hit gym in the summer? I can help you create a plan / routine if you want. That's a shout, you know. I do want to hit the gym properly. I've been trying to lose weight pretty recently. I have been trying to lose weight recently. I'm down a few kilos, you know. Okay, I'm very overweight. I'll just say my numbers. I was 115.6, and now I'm down to like 112.4. I'm down a decent amount in the last few days. Not last few days, last few weeks. Like, last 2 weeks, I've been cutting calories and cycling and exercising every day. So, yeah. Progress. But it's water weight, realistically. It's like 50 kg. It's like 3 or 2 kg. Thanks, Adam. I appreciate it. I can't lie. I feel like I'll be fine. Like, I know calorie in, calorie out, and I'm good at counting calories, all that stuff. But it's just keeping to it. That's the issue, you know. Longest you've slept? I don't know. I'm not really a long sleeper. How are you 30 kg more than me? Brother. It's fine, bro. We are chuds together. You weigh 115 kilos. 112 point something now, but yeah. Why are you guys so exclusive with the first names, bro? I've probably slept 18 hours in my life. Said I'm morbidly a beast. Love, bro. Okay. What do we say? C. As tension is the largest, as extension is at its max value, making T therefore A maximum. How are you guys sleeping entire days, bro? You probably body me. I guess, bro. Wait, hold up. As tension is the largest, as extension is at its max value, making T therefore A maximum. Like, okay, my handwriting's terrible. I know my handwriting's terrible and it sucks ass and it's horrible. I'm sorry. I apologize. It actually sucks. I'm just writing like this because I'm on an iPad and I'm trying to get it done fast. I swear I write well on paper sometimes. Hi from China. What's good, bro? Please don't be wrong. Oh, yeah, baby. And I think that's the last one. I think that's the last mark, right? As the length of the string reduces, the tension reduces. Tension is largest as extension is at its max value. Let's be real. Let's be real. That's full marks for that question. Let's go, boys. And girls. And the first one was a show that. What's up, KK Karim? KKK Karim, how you doing, mate? Okay, we take those. Cool. Okay. Would anybody like me to actually explain that question to them? Reese wants to be my friend. Which Reese is this? Is this my little cousin? Maybe. How funny. How tall are you in centimeters? I'm like 5'10" and a half in feet and inches, so do the calculation. Do you Excel? Yes. This is further maths, though. This is further mechanics, don't worry. Okay, does anybody want me to explain this? Because I understand my working was very messy. Does anybody want me to actually go over it? What A level are you taking? I'm currently doing maths, further maths, and computer science, but I dropped out of economics. I dropped out of economics like 2 months ago. So I was doing econ as well. I want to tell you some. How is this further? I mean, it's elastic springs and strings, right? Like, this is a further topic. But I think most of further mech isn't that bad. Like, further mech is pretty chill. It's just an accuracy test. Apart from some, like, really complicated multiple collisions things. Can we do a harder questions? We'll get onto it. You don't do physics? I don't. I do maths, further maths, computer science, and I used to do economics. So, no physics. But further mech is, like, chill. It's not... You don't need to do physics to be good at it. I'm just checking if there's another question real quick. There is 8. Wow. Interesting. I think we'll finish it out. Which is what I'm saying as I start to feel tired. Yeah, wait. Okay. Timer starts now. Yo, do you fucking mind, mate? Trying to get the questions done. Stop revving your shit. Okay, I heard a voice. I'm scared he heard me. Anyways, love. Which mob paper is this? Mock set 2. Hodge conjecture, I guess, bro. Do you ever do pure? Yeah, I do further pure. I do core pure. I did a lot of core pure over the last couple of weeks. I've just started getting back into this a couple of days ago. I did an A-level pure paper a while ago. Like a couple of days ago. But yeah. Okay, anyways. V in the form AI plus BJ. BJ. Interesting. Love a bit of maths, guys. A. Oh, wrong colour. But it's already over. A. Okay. Vector AB, okay, yeah, fine, I know that. Yeah, fine, walls, whatever, don't care. Projected on the floor, yeah, AB, fine. Okay, 3, -4, E is 1/4 for both walls, great. Velocity is V, fine, V in the form. Okay, yeah, fine, so we're literally just gonna have... What? V? Oh, okay, yeah, fine. So, after AB hits... we're gonna get it'll be 3-1. Okay, so for second collision, as negated multiplied by E for J. For second collision, we can say -1/4 3-1 dot I, yeah, where I is -1 is equal to AB dot -1 I direction is -1 and so for what do we get from that? We get that negative, what, a half? I think that is 1/2. Wait, that's -3 plus 1 negated. So that's 2. Fuck it, I'm using a calculator. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I know I'm not supposed to. I'm allowed to use it in the paper. I don't know. Okay, and now we can say 3-1.11 is equal to AB.11. Why revising this hour? I like to revise late because I like to just do stuff like all day, basically. Did you get 140 then? For Core Pure, yeah, I think so. I think 145-ish. So I'm not reading chat much. I do maths every now and again, Tommy. How many hours a day do you revise? I done maybe like 4 today. I did 3 hours of streaming earlier, which was like a sort of mathsy stream. But I wouldn't count that 3 hours of pure revision. I would say it's 2. IQ pill. I don't like IQ pill. I think it's a ridiculous take. I think IQ is a negative concept because if you think it's high, you're going to work less because you think you're good. And if you think it's low, you're going to work less because you think you don't have potential. So thinking about IQ is unnecessary. If you have 5 hours of revision to do in a day, how many hours did it take you to do actually whole day? What? What do you mean if I had 5 hours of revision to do in a day? Nobody assigns me revision. What are you saying? Did you watch Bison summaries for self-learning? I self-taught further maths before Bison further maths summaries existed. Funny enough. He only released them recently. It fares. I don't know about IQ pill. It's just luck pill. Like, I started off Core Pure too badly, and then I came back. Oh, Dawood, it depends if I'm on stream. Like, it depends what you count as revision. Because I would say, me talking to somebody in chat about, like, if they ask me a question about this, and... No, I get what you're saying. It's not intelligence. It's not exactly hard work. I think, again, somebody can put in 10 times hard work and just not be able to get full marks, which is fine. But you can't condense it down to one. It's just life pill, basically. Which, you know, we can't sit around and complain about it. How do you self-teach? I self-taught by just watching Bison Maths on YouTube. And I paid for a subscription for a month. And I just learned it all using Bison Maths. That was it. I would go on Bison Maths. I would write notes about what he said. I would do the question before he does it. And I just rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. What about if you're off-stream? I get less done off-stream than I do on-stream. When I'm off-stream, I'm usually playing games. Paid? Yeah. No, I did actually pay. Wallahi, I paid for a month. What YouTube channel for further maths? We don't have to pay. Not TL maths. I don't know. Ask in my Discord server what they think. Wallahi, I paid for a month. Wallahi, billahi, talahi, I paid for a month of Bison Maths Premium. And it was worth it. When's Maths Paper 1? It's on Wednesday. How you doing, How you doing, The boy. Clean. When's Econ Paper 3? Where's one? It's chill, bro. Maths will be chill. I've already done further Maths Paper 1 and 2. Like, I'm chilling. Oh, I feel sorry for Rayhan, bro. That guy's got Maths, Econ, further Maths. That's dark. 75 or 75, maybe. Got taught further maths in year 10 by a dad who's a PhD. Dark. But you can self-teach yourself. It's further maths grade range. Just click the TLC. We'll see. What games? I play Overwatch. I play Osu. I play Geometry Dash. I play occasionally Fortnite. Occasionally Valorant. Occasionally Minecraft. Occasionally Beat Saber. Occasionally Clone Hero. I play a lot of stuff. You play Siege? I don't. Other further maths modules, that thing. Further make further pure. How long to learn year 12 and AS further maths? It'll take you like 2 months. Yeah, but I do. Okay. 4 is equal to A plus B. Okay. 9 over 2 is equal to 2B by adding together. B is equal to 9 over 4. What do we have next? Therefore, A is equal to... Oh, fuck me. 7 over 4? And let me just confirm real quick. 7 over 4. 9 over 4 minus 7 over 4 is 1 over 2. Yeah, great. So, V is equal to 9 over 4 I... plus 7 over... No, we're wrong. 7 over 4i plus 9 over 4j. That's my solution for that. B. What's part B asking? The total angle through which the... Fuck me, I hate this. We'll read chat for real quick. I have 4 exams on the 8th. I'm kind of cooked. 4 on the 8th? How greedy. It took me a second there. Do you have any morning exams? I have computer science in the morning. That's it. Everything else is afternoon. I don't need to sleep right now. It's fine. Like, I'm gonna be asleep by like 1:30 at latest. Use dot product. Oh, what for the? I don't like using it for deflections. CS exams. Not next week, but the week after on Wednesday or Friday. Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. And then one right at the end. On the 17th. It's Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. How should you do it for Bison? Just watch Bison's real videos, I would say. For self-teaching, do not use summaries. You use summaries to revise after if you're not the best at it. Use the whole series. You need the whole series. The whole series, it will take time, but it's worth the time. If you're currently in a situation... Fuck me, sorry. Junaid Mohammed. What time is it at your place? It's 12:24. I know that the time taken to go up is equal to time taken. Shouldn't the accelerations be different? Let me think. Junaid, not necessarily. I think if a question was designed to have it be the same, that would technically be possible. Like, it wouldn't be likely, but I think it could happen. I don't know. Like, because if I was to take a general question and I was to tinker with the weight and the value of mu, I could get something where it would be the same, I think. A graphing calc's worth it. Yes, absolutely. Locked in on Maths getting 97 plus consistently. Good stuff. I have not revised CS this whole half term. Oh, Fairs as. But if you do... Wait, you do physics, right? Wait, do you? I forgot. They are definitely worth it. Specimen further mech? I don't think so. Maybe. Okay, B. So, angle of deflection. So I want to find it's... Oh, fuck, I hate these. So, like that angle? I don't know how to explain it. Oh, I fucking hate these. I think it's this. It's alpha plus beta. Right? I think so. Because you turn it around alpha. No, you need to have something else. You turn it around alpha and it gets to flat. You then turn it around a beta, a gamma. So turn it alpha, turn it gamma, then turn it beta. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get tan inverse, opposite over adjacent, which is gonna be what, 3 over 4 over 3, opposite adjacent 4 over 3, plus tan inverse, 1 over 3, opposite adjacent, opposite adjacent. And then we're gonna have what? 9 over 7. We'll see. This could be wrong. Again, if I lose any silly marks, it will maybe be pretty likely to be an angle of deflection thing. Let's see. All I've done is have a beer and a nap. Nice. I don't really drink at all. Yeah, if you do physics, then it's just summaries, because you just need to see the differences, basically. This could be wrong, by the way. Yeah, I'm off. I'm way off. Okay. 4 over 3. Okay. Damn. Okay, I see where I messed up. And I'm just going to confirm that my answer was correct. Okay. So, first part's full marks. This part is probably 2 marks. Whoa, 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 buddy. Whoa, what is this shit? What? Okay. So, where did I mess up? Okay, so the whole thing is I shouldn't have included gamma. Right? But why is that? Good night, Theo. A mirror string with OBS. Passive Dola promotion is diabolical. I mean, I have Dola, yeah, obviously. What, I make an ad for Dola, I'm going to not have Dola. See you, Ben. They're not paying me for it. I actually use it, genuinely. Like, it's actually helpful. I'm not even lying. Genuinely, like, what? It doesn't even have an upload limit. Like, you know, other AI... Oh, I feel like I'm going to get fucking sued for this. You differentiate? What? No. Okay. That was a joke, though. I'm stupid. Okay. Why? I'm so not getting this. This actually sounds like a North Korean different preaching. What, this? It's kind of good. Any tips or advice for Pure 1 and Econ? Just do as many past papers as you can. Get your hands on the Bison Math summary videos. They're great. Modern Warfare 4? No, I haven't. I think I saw it on a bus. I'm at the Dola ads. Oh, Fez. FurtherMech 2? No, this is FurtherMech 1. Why is this the angle of deflection? I'm confused here. I'm really confused. Skew it. So we're there. And then... Wait, what? How much are we skewing it? I'm so lost. Does Further Maths have low undergrad level content? Yes. In some countries, Further Maths is like year 1 of undergrad and some of year 2. It's easy. I mean, I guess so. Junaid, am I missing something or is there something? Again, like, Junaid, it's probably just the way the question's written, I would imagine. That's what I would say. It's easy, I guess, bro. Thoughts on maths lowering life expectancy? Yeah, because, you know, I'm living life instead of prolonging it. I love maths. Yeah, hyperbolics, matrices, complex numbers, yeah, all of that. I hate mechanics. It's just practice, bro. Okay. Really not getting it. I'm really not getting it. Fuck. I'm really bad at deflection of the angle. Wait, deflection of the angle? Oh. Wait. So we're not looking for that. Let's say we got this here. Right, obviously this is like our whatever. We're looking for this angle. Which is going to be... I see it. I get it now. 3, 4. So we're going to have tan inverse of 3 over 4 plus... Please tell me I'm right. No, 4 over 3. Wait, why is it 4 over 3? Oh, no. I labeled it wrong. Okay, I see. Okay. Wait, what's beta again? Okay, I see it. Don't use cos theta. Nah, I don't like using cross product. I don't like using dot product in for like angles and stuff. I'll be so real. Mech or stats, I prefer mech. What app are you using? I'm using GoodNotes and I'm using Aircast or something like that to use it on my PC. Bedtime is afraid of, but I'm like a bad boy, but like 50-50. But like only 50-50, not like fully. Why not make everything easier? I just prefer it this way. I'm not gonna lie. When's your exam? I have one Wednesday, I have one Friday. This exam's Friday, but the easy one's Wednesday. How did I dictate that beta was that? GoodNotes looks way better than mine. What, like when you're screen sharing? What do you mean, Ollie? Oh, I look fucking withered, bro. It's dark. My whole trim's cooked and everything, bro. It looks better because I'm using PC software. Like, I'm using an iPad, and then I'm casting to my PC using Aircast, and then I'm streaming off that. Pen goes all messy. Ah, that's annoying. I don't know. I have an off-brand pen too. Try restart your iPad. Sometimes my pen goes messy, and I restart, and it works. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, I said it now. Cool. Okay, silly me. I'm going to actually maybe take away a mark for this. I'm taking away a mark. It should be 1. Now that I understand how wrong I got it, it's 1 mark. How much hours are you doing a day? It depends. I don't know. For the first half of the half term, I got like basically nothing done just because of the heat. Like, I just couldn't revise. I was just not able to get anything done. Thank you for the follow, by the way. But for the second half, it's, I don't know. I got like 4 hours done today. Yesterday, I got a little bit less. What the fuck? Okay, so I just decided to do a little bit of that, love. I don't know why TikTok decided to disconnect. Isn't a one champion sound? Yeah, Estelle, we're about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? This just down in London town. Now you hear me a sound. We just sold out all the floor seats. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someplace. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come picking with you. You'll be my American boy. She said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way you're speaking, confidence is freaking. Don't pressure your girl into doing anything, by the way. What the fuck are you talking about? Do you do physics? No. What happened? It disconnected. It just bugs out. I don't do physics. Further 1? Yes, we're doing further 1. We'll do another. We're gonna do the last question and then we're gonna go sleep. I wonder if that gets me copyright striked on YouTube. It'd be funny if it did. What A levels? Maths, further maths, and computer science. Okay. Oh, it's one of these time questions, isn't it? Fine. Okay. A, B. A, 2M. B, 3M. Okay. In the same direction, along the same straight line. Yeah, fine. It's a 1D thing, fine. Immediately after. Speed of A is U. Okay, so immediately after, we're going to have 8 over 5U. This is weird. I'm not used to an after thing. Tugged. Oh, same as your friend? Nice. CS bottom 2 subjects on my life or on our life, bro? What the fuck are you talking about, user? Genuinely, I don't know you. Okay, A. I shouldn't use X. I should use probably like V or something. Okay. Okay, E equals 1 over 2. Between B and the wall. Okay, wait. So, the first consistent. Okay, wait. We might not even need to do the before. Okay. So, we're going to have A going at U, and then we're going to have B going at 8 over 5u, and then we're going to have B returning at 2 over 5u, because E is, 4 over 5u. So, and what is this, D? D, okay, so we'll say this is D. So we're going to have... What do you mean, what do you mean? I'll have a go. Okay. S equals distance over time. Okay. Time is equal to distance over speed. Okay, so the time to go to the right. Why is chat so empty, bro? Nah, it's chill. It's not your fault, guys. T to the right is D over 8 over 5u. Or is because the goat isn't here consistently. What do you mean the goat isn't here? Wait, what? I'm so confused, bro. My brain's just fried. Okay, T backwards is gonna be X. Yeah, fine. Over 2 over 5u. Off stream, can you still sit in your desk doing boring work for long times? Not really. Do you want Angton Uzi? Nah. I'd rather do my own thing, I can't lie. Okay, so D over 8 over 5, 5D over 8u is equal, plus 5x over 2u is equal to, okay, I'm going to have T right for B. Distance over time, which will be D minus X over... Speed is distance over time. Could you repost my TikToks? No. So speed is distance over time. Time is distance over speed. Distance is D minus X. Speed is U. So it's equal to D minus X over U. Okay, multiply everything by U. We're going to have 5 over 8D plus 5 over 2X is equal to D minus X. 7 over 2X is equal to 3 over 8D. Hyphen yes, I haven't touched it at all. Top 5 OSU player gets caught warming up brain with mathematics. Too good. Thank you, Raid727. I love it when I see it. Is it bad to struggle on translation of graphs? Yeah. S equals D over T, something like that. Who's she? What are you talking about? Oh, block that. Fucking weird. Okay. Grafting adds grafting. Something like that, bro. We're locked in, bro. That's what I'm saying. X in terms of D. So we're just gonna multiply as necessary. So we're gonna get X is equal to 3 over 28, 4 over 28, 3 over 28D. I think. Just by doing the mental thing. The mental thing, crental thing. We are not locked in. We are locked in, bro. Yeah, 3 over 28. B. Okay. E is 1/3. What? Why is it 9 marks? Oh, okay, fine. Okay. So E equals 1 over 3. Next important exam, Friday. Next exam is Wednesday. I have maths on Wednesday. I did M1 and I thought it was hard. Is this M1 or M2? I don't know how this works. I don't follow the international system, Bahrain. This is UK A levels. So this is further mechanics 1. But this is pretty chill. Okay. So fuck. So we're gonna have. Okay, we'll do everything to the right as we always do. X, Y, and I shouldn't use X, I know, but I don't care. Yeah, JJBA. Nah, I'm not even gonna finish MHA most likely. Anyways, what's the speed after? So our initial speed is U to the right here. Four over 5 U. Okay. E equals 1 over 3, right? Yeah, fine. What grade GCSE maths you need to do to get A-level further maths? I think a 7, very, very minimum. I would say an 8 or 9 is best though, obviously. Okay. 1 over 3 is equal to y minus x over 9 over 5u. 3 over 5u is equal to y minus x. Cool. So that's our NLR equation. Our PCLM equation. 2m, 2u minus over 5u is equal to 2x plus 3y. Yeah, it's all about how much you try in A levels, to be fair. When is CS exam? I think it's a myth. Nah, it's the week after A level maths' first paper on Wednesday. Okay, 12 minus, so we're going to have negative 2 over 5u is equal to 2x plus 3y. Okay, we'll solve these simultaneously somehow. Is equal to 5y. And we're going to have 6 over 5 minus 2 over 5. We're going to have 4 over 5u. I think, because we're just going to add 2 of the NLR and 1 of the PCLM. 4u over 25 is equal to y. And then x is equal to... in... what do you think about people saying they can't do well because of ADHD? I think some people have very bad issues with their disorders. I don't think that... I think you can succeed with ADHD depending on who you are. It's really about... like, it's a personal thing, I couldn't tell you. Like, it's a valid excuse. Depending on conditions. Like, I don't know. I don't follow enough, but I have no problem with people telling me I struggle because I have ADHD. There are usually ways to get around it, though, I'd say. I mean, I have autism, but I would say it's different. You could argue that makes me better at maths. I don't know, though. Do you have to write in pseudocode for your CS? No, I write in Python. And then sometimes pseudocode if I feel like it. For, like, what do you call it? For certain topics, pseudocode is easier. Do you only revise when you're live? I revise sometimes off live. Set amount of revision you want to hit every day is a no, it's just like I do some. Hey, Shaz, by the way. CS A level? No. Do maths, further maths, physics? There's no point of doing CS. It doesn't get you anywhere. Like, there's nothing that CS does that you can't get somewhere else. Okay. X is equal to y minus 3 over 5u. X is equal to negative 11 over 25, sorry. U. Right? Okay. After second collision, we're going to have A, B. A is moving to the left at negative 11 over 25, and B is moving to the right at 4U over 25. Oh, wait, it should be U. U. Yeah, fine. Okay. After B collides with Wall, we're going to have A is moving to the left at 11 over 25U. And B is moving to the left at, what is it? Because E is a half, right? For the first one, for the wall. Yeah, half. So we're going to have 2 over 25U. Okay. As A is moving, faster than B and is ahead of B, there will not be B and is ahead of B and no wall in front. As A is moving faster than B and is ahead of B, there will not be a third collision. Hence, shown. We'll check. Yo, TS67 boy. How you doing, mate? 8 is further enough for my school. Yeah, it's based on school. Sabim is pretty is smart. I don't know why I said pretty smart. Sabim is smart. These aren't exactly complex questions. Yeah, these are pretty chill. They ain't that bad. I saw you at HSBC. Oh, fairs. That's tough, Ryan. Nice. I don't see any gain in diagnosing myself with ADHD. I don't think I have it. I don't LARP disabilities. I don't need to. Oh, when I was talking about fixing computers. Oh, nice. 5-hour commute? Yeah, love. Oh, yeah. For lectures, yeah, definitely. It's what? It's a day out, worst case. Just, like, watch TV on the way or something. Yeah, further office isn't as crazy when you actually do it. Trust me. Is 10 days enough to boost your contact rate by 2? Yeah, probably. No, here's the thing, right? What the fuck? Yo, what? I'm cooked. Okay, I somehow got part B. Okay. I did get part B. Cool. That's where all the marks are. It's fine. I got part B. Okay. It's fine. We're safe. I got B. Okay. Let's check A. Where did I lose marks? So, yeah, fine. So, speed of B, yeah, 4 over 5. Cool. Use of time. So, D minus X. Okay, D minus X over U is equal to 5, what? 5 over 2X, what? Why is it 4 over 5? No. Well, I think I see where I went wrong. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. And I wonder... Why did it... Wait, what? 4/5? Oh, silly me. And then it's just follow through, I would assume, right? We've got what? 9/4 is equal to 3/8. Divide by 3, we'd get 3/4x is equal to 1/8d. Multiply by 4, we'd get a half. Then we get 1/6. X equal to, yeah, fine. Okay, I see where I messed up. That was it. So basically, my big mess up is I wrote. Oh, thank you for the thank you for the gifts, X. I appreciate it. Big up, X. Yeah, basically. What did I do wrong? You might be wondering. I thought E was 1/4 for some reason. I even wrote it right here. I don't know. I think I might have applied E twice. Or it was just a slip. I think it was just a slip. Arsenal lost. I don't care about football. So what do I get marks wise for this? What? So it's follow through. It's follow through marking. So speed of B after impact is 4/5, right? That's okay. That's pretty clearly on there, mate. 4/5. Bam. That's obvious, right? Like that's clearly a mark there. That's tick for that. So that's one mark. Yeah, like it's literally on the diagram. Okay, we got that. Fine. Use of time travel. Ooh, a little bit of time travel. We're moving like prime. What's that, brother? Marty McFly and that. And then, so that's 2. Okay, 3, 4. I don't know how these are given out, but follow there 4/5u. Okay. Is it ridiculous to say 4? Is it ridiculous to say 4? Is it ridiculous to say 4, chat? I think it is, right? But is it? Is it ridiculous to say 4? Okay, wait, hold on. Let's just analyze this game real quick. A little bit tiki-taka. Okay, hold up. Okay, correct. Yeah, fine. Okay, so that's clearly there. I wrote 4/5. Bam. I'm lying. It's gonna be 3. Like, let's be real. Come on, Adam. Stop bullshitting. It's 3. So that's -2. 3, 4. Dark. Five. I got this. 6. 6 marks. 69. Nice. I got 69 and 67. It's fine. It was all silly mistakes. Like, yeah. Nothing here was a... Oh, apart from the angle of deflection thing. That was it. Anyways, thank you for watching on YouTube. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed watching this paper walkthrough. See